this is Mikhail here, and today I'm gonna show you how to play a sweep shot. Okay, well, I'm not that good on this. Well, I'm not a pro, I'm just 13. Okay, well, if there's something wrong, just tell me, just comment out. Now, this is how you play a sweep. In sweep, first you gotta rest your right leg on the ground, on the pitch. Well, if you're a righty, you gotta do that, and then see. Well, when you play a sweep shot, when the ball is kind of low, or maybe on good length, well, you have to push it downwards. I showed you the pull shot, right? You play it from upwards to downwards. In this, the same thing is gonna happen. Just that it's not on your chest level, and you gotta bend down like this. See? Now this is how it goes. Back like this, pushing on the side, tap, position. See? Now, look. He's gonna throw the ball. Now check it out. Okay. See, that's how it goes. Now, if you hit it the right way, it can go for a boundary. Well, usually there's gap there, so it's gonna really help you. Look. Well, this is what happens if you don't play it right. See, you're gonna leave that, and you gotta be really careful with that, because it can hit your head because you're bending down. Now look. That's what happens if you hit it wrong. If you do this, you're not gonna do that. You're gonna do this. You're gonna push the ball downwards. If you push it upwards, you're gonna give a catch to the baller himself, yourself. And now, again, that's one. Look, the real shot. See? Thank you. Check out my other videos.